Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare Sobolo drink. In Nigeria it is known as Zobo drink. It is super healthy and very simple to prepare. So let's get started. Now the first thing you need is the Sobolo leaves. Yes, it's called hibiscus leaves or something like that. Now you need your ginger and you need this ingredient. We have the formwisa, asuruwisa, and the others. I don't know how they are called, but these are the necessary ingredients that you need. Then you need pineapple, if that is the flavor that you want. I love pineapple, so this case I'm using pineapple. And then I have here my honey. This time I'm using Natural Remedies organic honey. It is very healthy, very thick, and you will love it. I also have sugar here. Now it's optional. It's either you use the honey or you use the sugar. Let's get started. So we'll start by washing our pineapple. We need to add salt because we don't know the number of times that I've touched this pineapple. Because of the virus, we need to stay very healthy. So I'm using salty water to wash the pineapple. Now we are going to peel off the skin from the pineapple into a bowl or a saucepan because we need to boil it in order to generate the flavor. Now, since this is what we are going to use to prepare our sobolo, we are supposed to fill it up with water. I've used 4 cups of this bowl. Now the rest of the pineapple is going to be blended. Yes, I'll blend it and pour it into the sobolo when it starts boiling. Now the next step is to wash the ginger and the rest of this ingredient. Then go ahead and pound it so that we can start preparation of the sobolo. Now I'm going to put this on fire for it to start boiling. Now this is the ginger. You need to wash it thoroughly so that all the dirt and the ginger will leave or vanish or disappear. Then you go ahead and start pounding it. Now this is how it looks like after I pounded it. So you're going to go ahead and pour it onto the peeled pineapple or whatever it's called. But this is how it is. So you're going to leave it for it to start boiling. Now that it's boiling, we are going to add our leaves to it. This sobolo is for only 3 people, so the leaves I'm using is not that many. And don't forget, you need to wash it. You need to wash it very well before you pour it into your sobolo. So let's allow it to boil. Now since it's boiling, we need to add, I told you we're supposed to blend the rest of the pineapple, so we add the blended pineapple to it. This would help the flavor. Now it's boiling and it's very flavorful. Like the pineapple enhanced the flavor, so it is smelling very nice. Very nice aroma. Because of the ingredients that we used, the ones that I showed you. So this, now that our sobolo is ready, we are going to strain it. Now you can strain it about 2 or 3 times if you don't want some particles to be inside your juice.